going to check right now other air conditioning unit, the automotive air conditioning unit. And we are going to connect the gauge and we are going to check the system running. The air conditioning unit in your car. What is the difference in between the air conditioning unit in your car and this air conditioning unit? The compressor in this is electrical, and the compressor over there is mechanical.
Electrical.
Mechanical.
Hybrid is electrical.
Right, hydraulic.
There's no belts on
Yeah,
my
I know.
car.
But let me explain something
So
about the
that's
hybrid. Okay. In general, that compressor is mechanical with the valve connected to the crankshaft, no? With the serpentine valve. The rest is the same. Okay, what about the compressor in your home? It's electrical. It's identical to this. Yeah? Yeah. All right, that's clear? The rest is the same. Okay, let's go to the other side and we are going to check that unit. Okay, Leo and company. This is your car. This is the hybrid car of Garfield. Where is the electric motor of the Garfield car? Look at the electric motor, three-phase motor. You see? Three-phase motor. And the three-phase motor of Garfield will be connected to the source of power. Can you connect over there? That's your car.
That's my car.
Maybe just check it out.
Okay. However, the dashboard in the car of Garfield, the rest of the car is 12 volts. The radio, the music, the dashboard is 12 volts. This is why I need connect here negative and positive. This battery 12 volts connected here because I want to supply power in my car for the dashboard, for the evaporator located in the dashboard. In the dashboard I have the evaporator. In the dashboard I have the display for the air condition. You remember, guys? Come on. You remember the display where you select hot or cold, more speed, less speed, and you select if you want it here or here or here or here the air. Yes or not? Okay, I am going to fit that equipment with DC. This is the evaporator and this is the what is this? What is this? The thermostat. Thank you, Leo. Okay, pay attention. Right now, I have power in the dashboard of my car. Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, no, yes.
But the engine is off. The motor is off. Okay. I am going to turn on the motor. I am going to start the unit. Look. And now I am going to select low temperature. Come on, guys. Come on. Here. What is this? What is this? What is the low pressure side and high pressure side?
Low pressure.
Touch. Touch. You see? What is this? Look at this. Look at this. And look at this. What is this? Expansion valve.
So what is that? Filter?
Yeah.
Filter?
This is the accumulator. It's other accumulator in the low pressure side. One in the high, other in the low. Touch the low. Touch the low. Look at the expansion valve. And now you have cold air here. Okay, what is this? What equipment is that?
A heater?
Is that?
Heater?
Look at this.
Vacuum pump?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And move it, those actuators with, look at this.
That's a
with
vacuum pump.
Vacuum pump.
To open and close the
Open this one, close this
Okay.
one, open this
Like
one.
if that's the engine's vacuum.
Correct. Excuse me, because I convert this car into a hybrid car, I replace the gasoline motor for an electric motor. But I need continue with vacuum for those elements. I install that electric vacuum pump, you know?
I think there's a vacuum pump on it? On my car?
No,
It's
in all
electric.
versions, it's vacuum.
Well, yeah, but it comes from the engine.
What is this, guys? What coil is that?
Condenser.
Condenser.
That's the condenser. And those are the fans for
That's
the
what you
condenser.
see when you look through the grill.
Correct. Where is the evaporator here?
Inside of that.
It's here. It's here. Okay, what
That's your
switch
leash.
is this? High pressure or low pressure switch?
That's a high pressure switch.
High pressure switch. Where you
Low pressure?
where you connect normally the gauge. The gauge, guys. This is the high pressure. Okay, Leo, connect the high pressure. Open, excuse me, open that one.
Probably both red.
Dale, go ahead. It's automotive. Push quickly. Okay, good. Got you. That's really the problem. Too tight. And what about the low pressure?
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Push it on hard.
No. Push.
Push it on
And tight. Yeah, exactly. All right. Perfect. And I have, look, 95 psi in the low pressure side, and I have around 100 in high pressure. You see? Okay, we are going to start the system. Okay, look at this. The pressure is 220, 250, 300. That's too much. And here 90, 350. Something is wrong, and the pressure goes up. You see? That's why the pressure valve was activated. The pressure relief. Okay, we are going to check the fan. No,
Fan's not turning.
that's the problem. It's not turning the fan. The fan. You see? Okay, we are going to check if one of the fuses are broken. The fuses related with the fan.
Ahí arrancó.
Which one? It's not working. Oh, that one is starts.
That one didn't work before.
Okay, and now the pressure is around 280. That's okay. And now the pressure here in the low pressure side is in between 25. It's a little low. We are going to. It's good. Now it's better. Now it's better.
Turn back.
Stop that. That's the problem. Once again, the pressure goes up immediately.
So
We have a problem with the
So on a car, once you turn on the AC, the fan has to start turning all the time.
immediately.
Even while you're driving, it's trying to turn.
Correct. You know what happened here? Only one worked and no continue.
Not enough voltage.
So you find a fan that sometimes it turns and it stops and it turns and it stops, even with the AC on. So even though you see it turning,
Okay,
it doesn't
I
mean
know
it
what
works.
is the problem, but I need to explain more theory, and after that we are going to solve the thing. Okay, good. For today, we have that problem, but later we are going to solve it.